Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Learn Software Testing. Today I am going to continue on testing process part 1 video. I was discussing about test artifacts. Now let's continue on the remaining test artifacts in a real-time project. As we see, today's agenda is testing artifacts and deliverables followed by a conclusion. So the next test artifact is test schedule for intended testing activities. We can schedule testing in various tools like HPQC, HPALM, or MPP, that is Microsoft Project Planner, and Jira. So, for example, in HPQC or ALM, we can upload the requirements and map it with test cases. So, in this way, we can define a start date and end date for executing each requirement, which is further linked to a set of test cases. This will also help us in carry execution reports. So the next testing artifact is RTM and test strategy document. RTM is a spreadsheet and generally followed with standard templates of requirement number, test case ID or scenarios and followed by test data associated with each test cases for future references. We can customize RTM as per business requirements and needs to ensure complete coverage in testing. Now, test strategy is generally designed by business or project manager to elaborate on high level testing practice or approach to be used in the project. Generally, test strategy contains test plan which is a brief overview on the project. The next testing artifact is test cases or test suite itself, where a number of test cases are designed based on requirements in standard templates. These standard templates are organization mandate templates. Test cases contains features like test objectives, functionality itself, prerequisites like system availability or credentials or test data and so on. We can customize our test cases based on our QA team experience or the business needs. Coming to test suite or a validation suite, which is mostly called, is a pack of test cases used for requirement sessions. These test cases are based for regression or end-to-end or sanity to ensure functionality works as expected. Continuing to the next test artifact is test execution tracker, which enables the team to identify the exact status of testing at any point of the execution phase. From the list of contents given in the execution tracker, like start date, end date, pass or fail percentage, we can analyze per tester how many test execution is feasible in a day. This is a key tracker. All the stakeholders are keen to have a look on each day to ensure execution is on right track. So the last one, but not the least, in the test artifact is the defect management process, where projects generally uses tools like QC or ALM for efficient defect tracking. So defect tracking means by raising a defect as new status until closure. We have to track the each and every defect within the different statuses of a defect. We have a triage meeting each day to discuss on the open defects and to resolve critical defects at any priority. We can also generate various reports from the defect management tools like QC or ALM. Hope this session is useful for all of you. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for more testing videos.